how do you present your law answer in exam? Especially new syllabus, law is for 100 marks. Last time many of them have reached out asking, sir, I got 38 in law, I passed everything else. I got 35 in law, passed everything else. So law presentation is very important because accounts you are familiar in school. Economics and maths is just MCQ, nothing to present. So law is going to be a game changing paper now. Now that you know all the concepts, we are going to have, looking at the latest mock test paper for June exam, there are 3 types of questions in your MTP. If you have seen the MTP, if not, I have seen it, so I will tell you. One is direct question. One is difference question. Next is case study based question. Only these 3 you have. And I will say almost 50% is for case study. Little more than 50% is for case study. Around 10%, 1 or 2 questions max is for difference. Remaining 40% is for direct. Approximate split. Is that what you have seen in the MTP? Yes. Something of this sort is what we have seen. Correct? Direct question is simple. Let me give you an example of direct question. I will give you 2 examples. One, they might ask you from Contract Act, what are the modes of revocation of offer? What are the modes of revocation of offer? Counter offer, lapse of time, non-acceptance, notice of revocation, subsequent illegality, or death or insanity. We had a mnemonic in our class like clans. If you keep playing Clash of Clans, then you will die one day, death or you will become insane. So Clash of Clans was a mnemonic. All the points covered for what? This. Sometimes they used to ask, contract without consideration is void, but generally it is valid in few cases like agency, bailment, charity, or completed gift, or time barred debt. Mnemonic for that we have studied in class was ABCD. What is ABCD? A is agency, B is bailment, C is charity or completed gift, D is time barred debt. So 2 points are missing. Yes. When you learnt ABCD? In the past. So in the past voluntary service, who taught you ABCD? Parents. They taught you out of natural love and affection. So you learnt ABCD in the past out of natural love and affection, these points. So straightforward points you will write and then you will write the answer. So side heading point, side heading point. New syllabus added. What are duties of bailer? 4 points. What are duties of bailee? 5 points, 6 points. Like that you will write 6 points. Are you following, guys? That's it. These are direct questions. Easy to score if it comes in exam. This involves a lot of memorization from your side. Side headings. Yenda question ki yenda answer. That is important. For duties of bailer, you can't write rights of bailer. Gone. That's why we gave shortcuts, leave all of it. Difference is simple. You have many different questions in Contract Act like fraud versus misrepresentation. Now you have bailment versus pledge. If you put all the dabbas together, around 10 to 15 dabbas will be there. You should remember the basis. At least if you don't remember the basis, remember at least half the basis points and try to write your own basis. Follow the same template. Difference question comes means basis, bailment, pledge. Basis, voidable contract, valid contract. Follow the same dabba you see in the book. This also involves a little bit of concept plus memorizing the basis points. Coming to case study. At least what I have seen, most students do fairly well in direct questions because you are used to memorizing in school. Okay. Difference also to an extent you manage. Case study is where some of them take a hit. Okay. Now coming to case study, I will give you 2 alternate way of presentation. Those who are watching this video, part of our group, everybody part of the group, I will do one thing. Every day, let me keep the group open. If you are part of this group for presentation, we will keep it open for just 30 minutes. Okay. Or a specific day and time, I will keep it open. That time, whatever answer that you are writing, the image of it, you send it in the group. Those who are coming to offline class, you show it to me here. Let us spam that group with all the answers. Okay. When answers keep coming in, I will reply to each answer by sending an audio note as to, hey, what you have missed or what is wrong in this answer. Don't send the full certified copy. I don't have that much time. One answer you send which you feel you wrote well. I will reply to it and tell what improvements you can do here. Everybody in the group can listen to that answer, what answer I am giving. So you will know where to improve. Then I will start sending even well written answers in the group. I will mark this is a very good answer, this will get 4 out of 4. Those things you can see. So you can improve your presentation, you can keep sending the answers. Sending the answer to me separately in WhatsApp, you may get the reply a little late because 500 messages a day, little hard to reply for me, but group, we will keep it active. Okay. Now, case study, the traditional way how I always tell in all the classes is a 4 method: facts, provision, analysis, conclusion. Okay. Now, what is this? Basically, I tell everybody a simple thing. If you are writing answer for one case study, take that answer to your friend who is a not CA student, or your siblings in the house, or your parents who know to read well. Give them that answer. Are they able to read and understand that your answer is fine? Meaning, for example, there was one case study which I saw, it came on Instagram long back, where a High Court of Delhi gave a case where one actress got a bad haircut in ITC Hotel Delhi. Because of that, she lost to act in 2-3 movies. So they gave her a compensation of 2 crores. ITC had to pay her. Now, how they wrote this in the High Court judgment was, every High Court judgment or Supreme Court judgment is like this. First, they will write the facts, what happened. This actress went and got a haircut, bad haircut in ITC. Then, provision, consumer court provision, deficiency in provision of service. Service was not up to the mark. Analysis, because of this bad haircut and this provision, she lost to act in 3 to 4 movies and she suffered some 2 years of career challenge because hair has to grow back at the end of the day. Conclusion, 2 crores penalty for ITC. Clear? So when you are writing, you will summarize the facts, what is there in the question, in 2 to 3 lines. Don't write half a page facts, because whatever you write for facts, the marks is 1 mark, 1 mark, half mark. It's only waste of writing. But we are trying to build a court way of writing. Second, provision. First, write what provision is being tested in that. Sometimes it could be one provision. Sometimes they are testing multiple provisions. Write only relevant provision, guys. For example, if they are testing for, let's say, they are testing clans, revocation of offer, they are testing subsequent illegality. Don't write all the points. If my side heading has 10 points under that, write the point which is relevant. Write the relevant provision as per Indian Contract Act or as per this act, whatever. In the provision, don't write facts of the case. Okay. Analysis is a beautiful place. That is where you carry marks. Analysis is basically, facts too. The facts I have written and the provision I have written. Now if I read together, what is my analysis? For example, facts, I cross the red signal. Provision, if you cross red signal as per Traffic Motor Vehicle Act, you have to pay 100 rupees penalty. Analysis, at 11 PM, when the traffic signal was there, I crossed the red signal, which is in violation of the above provision. So you have to pay a penalty. Conclusion, penalty 100 rupees. Conclusion is 1 line. Are you getting it? This is the way you write. So analysis will be mix of both and then the conclusion. Some students, what happens is, they don't have the, or they are not used to writing facts. Sir, facts to the mark illiye sir. Why should I write? No problem. Don't write the facts. Straight away write the provision first. I personally don't prefer the analysis first. Some of them might tell write the analysis. How can I write analysis without giving the background to it? Directly you are writing, this is tappu sir. Edukku tappu? Why is it wrong? I need to give a reason. Correct? So if you want to write the second way, sir, my handwriting is slow, sir. I am not able to write 100 marks in mock test paper. Then leave the facts. Forget about the facts. Okay. But follow only one for full exam. Only follow only one. First you straight away write what? Provision. Next you write analysis. Next paragraph. This time analysis will have little more detailed facts. And then write conclusion. Some people will write conclusion first. The third method is, sir, I will write conclusion first. Give the straight answer. Yes, no, liable, not liable, punishable, not punishable. Then they will write why, provision below, why they will write analysis below. This I have seen some of them do it. Basically, they are changing the format. Are you following, guys? Are you getting it? Follow whichever style is comfortable for you. All three are fine. Basically, it's the same. You are just changing the order. But simple again, if I should tell you, if you show your answer to me, I should know what is the answer and I should also know what is the question without reading the question. As simple as that. This is what I tell people. If I read your 5 marks case study answer, don't send me the question paper. I should know what was the question and what is the answer with the provision and conclusion. If I am not able to figure that out, that means your presentation is not up to the mark. That's it. Are you getting it, guys? Is it clear? So with this, those who are watching the video, ensure you are part of the group. As how I mentioned, in the group, I will keep sharing what? The time basis where you can share your answers. I will reply and give you audio feedback for all of that. Applicable for offline, online live and recording students. I will keep it open only for a few days till exams. Of course, after exams, group will die. That's it. Okay, it's a temporary group. You can leave, stay, whatever it is. Fine. That's it. This is about presentation. So more active you are, I can respond to you. If you are not sending day before exam, sir, give me presentation feedback. Sorry, I can't help it. Okay. Day before exam, I won't tell you also if it's not good also, because what you will do, you will only panic. So now is the time to work on it. Fine. That's it. This is about presentation. Okay.